Dear students, we are moving to the next topic. So last class we discussed the string slicing concept. So in the present class, we will see some more operations on the string. So we can convert first character of the particular sentence to uppercase using capitalize str dot capitalize. So next str dot count means it returns number of times a specified value occurred in a string. So str find. So we can give the position or index. So where it is found. So where this value is found. So index and find both are similar. So similarly replace. Okay, we can replace a particular word or particular letter by a new word or by a new letter. Similarly, we can split the given string. And similarly, we can find the length of the given string. So we will see some comments. Yes, str I'm taking some MMS. So in this, just I want to calculate I want to use str capitalize. Yes. The first letter will be capital letters. First letter is the capital letter. Similarly, we can find uh, index also, particular index. Str data find of deal. So what is the where deemed is occurring here? So the location we can calculate. So generally it is the location I can calculate here. This is generally we are taking 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space also includes 5. So the deemed is occurring at sixth position. So that calculate. Similarly, index. So where D is occurring, okay, this also I can calculate. See. Similarly, we can replace uh, str data replace. Instead of NMNs, so I can write SVK. SVK. So now SVK limit to be instead of NMNs, SVK. So similarly, we can find the length also, or length of STR. Length we can 29 characters. And what are remaining operations? Index splitting is there. Splitting also can be done. So generally STR means name is given to be university. So it's STR split we are trying to split it. So this NMMS deemed is one string, and after B university is another string. So it is created. So we are splitting the given string at 2. So splitting can be possible. And next, we're having some other functions. This is the strip. Strip means it removes spaces from both sides. And next one is R strip. R strip means it removes spaces from right side. Next, this is the L strip actually. L strip remove the spaces from left side. Similarly, R find, okay, R find, just find the substring from R to L. Similarly, index. Okay. Similarly, lowercase letters S dot lower, S dot upper. So we can convert to lowercase letters, uppercase letters, swap case. Swap means suppose if it is already in the lowercase letter, so that will be converted to cap letters. If it is already in cap letters, so that will be converted to lower. Similarly, title. Title means each and every word, first letter is cap letter. First letter is going to become cap letters. Let us see. Suppose if I am giving str dot title. So what happened? First letter of each word is capital. First letter of each word. First letter of each word is capital. It is capitalized. Only first letter of the sentence is capital. So similarly, we can convert to lowercase letters. Str dot lower. Similarly, we can convert to uppercase letters. We can convert. So this str is already in small letters. So suppose if I am using swap case, so this will be converted to cap letters. Why? Because it is already in small letters. So this will be converted to cap letters. So similarly, some stream is there. Suppose some spaces S with KM and some spaces are there. Suppose if I want to remove spaces, left side spaces, right side spaces, if I want to remove, so I can go for a strip. Strip. So you see, all left side spaces removed and right side spaces removed. So only SV came where. Similarly, if you want to receive only, if you want to remove only left side, okay, you have to use S1 dot L strip. L strip we have to use. Similarly, if I want to remove right side spaces, so I can go for S2 dot R strip. So right side spaces removed. These are right side spaces. These spaces removed here. So these are the string functions. Generally, we are using. Next, R find is there. R find, let us take R find. STR, R find. STR dot R find. Some to be I'm taking. So to be is occurring at 30th position. To is occurring at 30th position. So generally, if I'm taking find, what is the difference? Let us see. STR dot find. This is from 13th position. So let us see. 2 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th position. Okay. So from right side also let us see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th position we are getting. So let us take another string. Suppose str dot find name. Suppose if I'm writing name doing this 0 and 9. Suppose R string is Hard money. Zero. So almost both are getting same result. Next, we will go to the next topic. So all string operations over. Similarly, yes, we can do the searching also. So next, we will go to the next operations. We will go to control statements. So in control statements, so generally a sequence of execution of statements are black by interpreter or compiler is called the execution flow. So set of statements, if you want to execute, generally we are calling it as block actually, set of statements. So here we are taking some control statements. So generally decision making, or you can call it as conditional, or you can call it as selection statements. So generally we are using if else, if elif, nested if. Okay, so generally switch case is not supported by Python. So it is available in C++. So generally for looping or iterative statements, we want to repeat the statements more than one time. So you can go for loop, otherwise while loop. Okay, so do while is not supported by Python, but else should is there. Else should. So similarly, jump and transfer control statements are there. So break, continue, pause, return. So today we will discuss if class. If class we are going to discuss today. If class state. So before going to discuss regarding if statement, so let us see indentation. Indentation means it refers to spaces that are used in the beginning of the statements. So generally we are using indentation. So this is indentation actually. So suppose if you are giving particular space, okay. So this print shoot to print shoot to. So this will come under one black actually. One black. Here we are giving some spaces here. This is called indentation actually. This is some spaces we are giving, some spaces. Next we are writing the print. So these two statements coming under this black. This okay, these two. Similarly, shoot to means this. These two coming under this if else. This shoot will come under else. And this shoot. See, this shoot will come under this shoot will come under if. So all these, see, the indentation means same level we are maintaining. Same level. This level we are maintaining. From here to here, we are maintaining the same level. Same level we are maintaining. So all these are coming under this. Okay. So indentation means generally we are giving particular spaces. Here, some spaces we are giving. Then we are writing print or a set of statements we are writing. Some spaces we need to give. So Python uses four spaces by default to apply the indentation. So indentation means white spaces at the beginning of the line. White spaces generally available. With the syntax, coming to the syntax. So the if statement syntax will be like this. So if condition is given, okay, and space this colon is compulsory. Okay, if some condition and colon compulsory, this colon is compulsory. And statements, some spaces we need to give, some statements we are giving. So whenever the condition is true, if condition is true, the statements will be executed. These statements will be executed. If condition is true, if it is true, okay, so then these statements will be executed. Else means otherwise. Otherwise, these statements will be executed. Suppose if it is a condition is false. Suppose if the condition is false, the condition is false. So then these statements will be executed. These statements will be executed. If condition is true, the statements will be executed. Otherwise, the condition, these statements will be executed. So similar to our C++. So if the condition is evaluated true, the statements after colon will be executed. The condition is evaluated false, so control will come out of the if flag. So it will come to the else. It will come to the else. So we will see one example, simple example. But I'm taking one number. Enter, enter, enter. If I want to check whether the given number is even number or not. Even number or not, I want to check. Even or odd. So n percentage 2. So generally, if the number is divisible by 2, you are getting the remainder 0, then it is even. So colon and space we have to give. Here you can write. Next, even. Else. Else colon compulsory. Next, print. And else. So if you want to execute this, just you press shift enter. So it is asking one value. Suppose 5. 5 is odd. So this indentation you have to maintain. This is compulsory. And these spaces we are giving, no, this is compulsory. Suppose if you don't give spaces and if you are giving uh, directly like this, so you will get error. Indentation error you will get. Indentation error you will get. So this giving space compulsory. Okay, then only it will be considered. Okay. So if this condition is true, okay, then this will be executed. This statement will be executed. Okay. So see, I'm giving some 8. So 8 is even. So this can be done. Next, if else also we can use. Elif also we can use actually. We will take one program. We are trying to take suppose whether triangle is whether triangle is scalar or equilateral or isosceles. Isosceles. Okay. So for this, generally we need 3 sides, so we can decide. So I'm taking side 1, float, then side may be float. So in that is side 1, H2 into enter S2. Similarly, side 3 into enter S2. So now let us see. So how can you say that the triangle is equilateral? Okay, and for this, I will give the explanation somewhere. First of all, if I'm taking the 2, 1, 2, 5. So if all are different, so I can say that it is scale-on triangle actually. Scale-on triangle. Suppose if 2 sides are equal, so I can say that it is isosceles. Isosceles. Suppose if all are equal, 4, 4, 4, then I can say that it is equilateral. Equilateral. So before that, first whether triangle is possible or not, we have to check it. So for checking the triangle is possible or not, the sum of 2 sides must be greater than the third side. You see, here sum of these two is becoming sum of 2 sides. Sum of 2 sides. Sum of 2 sides. Sum of 2 sides. So must be greater than. Must be greater than Complete the third side. Third side. Okay. So for this, first we need to check this condition whether it is satisfied or not. Suppose if I am taking these two, 1 plus 1. So is it greater than 5? So it is wrong. So triangle is not possible. So if the triangle is possible, then we have to decide whether it is scalar or not. See here, this is 2 plus 2, 4. It is also not possible. Here you see 4 plus 4, 8. 8 greater than 4. Yes, it is possible. Okay, so sum of the two sides must be greater than the third side. This condition must be applicable. So first we will check sum of two sides is greater than the third side or not. We will check. So for that we will write the program. S1 plus S2 greater than S3 and S1 plus S3 greater than S2 all combinations and S2 plus S3 greater than S1. If this condition satisfies, then I can say that the triangle is possible. If triangle is possible, then we check whether it is equilateral or not. Okay. So S1 equal to S2 equal to S3. If all are same, then I can say that they are equal to condition. Comparison equal to I can give. Then given triangle. Given triangle is equilateral. If suppose S1 equal to S2 or S1 equal to S3 or S2 equal to S3 of any two sides are equal, then we are taking given triangle is isosceles. Then else, then I can say that is given triangle. Given triangle is scalar. So next, suppose if the first condition failed, suppose if this first condition failed, so automatically I can say that the triangle is not possible. Okay? So sides, given sides will not form a triangle. Okay? So let us see this. So I'm taking the 2, 6, 8. So these sides will not form the triangle. Why? Because 2 plus 6, the 8. 8 is not greater than 8. It is a problem. Next, we will see one more. 5, 5, 6. So two sides are equal. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 greater than 6. Okay. Otherwise, the other combination, 5 plus 6, 11. 11 greater than the third side. It is also okay. So two sides are equal means isosceles. Suppose if I am giving 6, 6, 6. So all sides are equal. So it is scalar triangle. Sorry, equilateral triangle. 6, 6, 6. So like this we can verify. So this is elif. Suppose if you want to give more conditions, elif, elif, elif like this, finally last else you can give. So this will come under nested if. And similarly, we can take simple programs, whether the given number is positive number or negative number or zero. That also you can do. You will see. Input. positive or negative or zero. So we'll check. Okay. So if generally if n greater than zero, you can see that it is uh, positive number. And if it is less than zero, I can say that n is negative. Else, so it is zero. Print. So shift enter. So generally I'm giving 5. So it is positive. Shift enter. Suppose the negative number. Suppose I'm giving 0. It is 0. So this type of statements we can do. And this can be done in another way also. So just take the print positive. First we will take n. No? N is equal to 10. Something. So n is positive. N is positive if n greater than 0. N greater than 0. Else, else n greater than n is negative. Like this. So you will see. So n is positive here. Suppose if I am taking negative, so n is negative. So in single line also we can do if else, if else. Single line statement, shorthand statement. This is also possible. Elif conditions possible and nested conditions possible. Yeah, this else print. These conditions also I can print if A is greater than B. Else again if condition like this you can do. Else printer. Else print this condition also I can do if n is greater than. Else print n is 0. It's also possible. Suppose if I am giving 0, if I am giving 50, it is positive. If I am giving negative, it is negative. So single statement also we can. So just like our English language statement, print if n is greater than 0. Else, then other statement, print if n is negative, if n is less than 0. Else, print you can do the last statement. Print. So this is the shorthand statement. Shorthand statement. This can be done. Shorthand statement. So it's all regarding if else. Next, we will discuss loops concepts in the next class.